When it comes to achieving smooth, glowing skin, exfoliating is key, and a good face scrubber can make all the difference. Whether you're dealing with dry patches, clogged pores, or uneven skin tone, a face scrubber can give your skincare routine the boost it needs. In today's video, we'll review 5 of the best face scrubbers on the market, each offering unique features to improve your skin. Let's take a closer look at each one and find the best option for your needs. Kicking off our list at number 1, Foreo Luna 3. The Foreo Luna 3 is a next-gen facial cleansing and massaging brush that's designed to elevate your skincare routine. Featuring soft silicone bristles, it promises a gentle yet thorough cleanse while helping improve skin texture and tone. Foreo is known for its innovation, and the Luna 3 is no exception, offering smart features that cater to a variety of skin concerns. Key features: the Foreo Luna 3 offers sonic pulsations with a dual-sided silicone brush that's ultra-soft and hygienic. It's equipped with 16 adjustable intensity settings, allowing you to customize your cleaning experience based on your skin's needs. It also connects via Bluetooth to the Foreo app, allowing for personalized facial massage routines. The Luna 3 is waterproof and rechargeable, making it perfect for regular use. Benefits and usage: the Luna 3 helps deep clean pores, removing dirt, oil, and makeup residue for a fresh feel. The silicone bristles are gentle on the skin, making it suitable for sensitive skin types. Additionally, its massaging feature helps boost blood circulation, promoting a healthy, glowing complexion. The device's gentle cleansing can reduce fine lines and improve skin firmness with regular use. Usability: using the Foreo Luna 3 is a breeze. Simply apply your favorite facial cleanser, activate the device, and move it in circular motions across your face. The adjustable intensity makes it ideal for different skin types, whether you have sensitive or oily skin. Plus, the device is easy to hold and maneuver, offering great control during use. Durability: the Foreo Luna 3 is built to last with its durable, non-porous silicone bristles that resist bacteria buildup. It's designed to withstand daily use and is easy to clean. A single charge provides up to 650 uses, making it both efficient and cost-effective. With proper care, it can serve you for years. In the second spot, we have Clarisonic Mia Smart. Clarisonic is a well-known brand in the facial cleansing industry, and the Mia Smart is one of their standout products. This versatile face scrubber offers a range of features, from facial cleansing to anti-aging benefits. The Mia Smart is perfect for those who want a customizable skincare experience with the reliability of a trusted brand. Key features: the Clarisonic Mia Smart comes with a T-Sonic technology system that provides 300 movements per second, delivering a deep yet gentle cleanse. It features 3 speed settings and a smart mode that adjusts to your skin's needs. It's equipped with a smart mode that syncs with a mobile app for personalized skincare routines and tips. The device is also rechargeable and waterproof, making it travel-friendly. Benefits and usage: the Mia Smart cleanses the skin deeply, removing dirt, oil, and makeup residues. Its gentle, yet effective brush bristles ensure exfoliation without irritation. The device's ability to reduce pore size and improve skin texture is an added benefit. With consistent use, it can also boost the absorption of your skincare products, enhancing their effectiveness. Usability: the Clarisonic Mia Smart is user-friendly with its intuitive design and customizable settings. Whether you want a quick deep cleanse or a more intense exfoliation session, the device has settings that cater to your preferences. It's easy to use with one button for activation and is lightweight, making it easy to handle. Durability: Clarisonic is known for creating long-lasting products, and the Mia Smart is no different. The rechargeable battery provides up to 100 uses per charge, and the device is waterproof, which ensures durability even in the shower. Its brush heads are easy to replace and come in various options, so you can personalize the device for your skin type. Coming in at number 3 is the PMD Clean Pro. The PMD Clean Pro is a smart facial cleansing brush designed to provide deep cleansing and toning through Soniclear technology. It's a high-performance facial scrubber that offers an all-in-one approach to skin care. With its sleek design and advanced features, the PMD Clean Pro is a top contender in the world of facial cleansing devices. Key features: the PMD Clean Pro uses Soniclear technology, delivering 7,000 vibrations per minute to provide a deeper cleanse. It offers 4 customizable settings, allowing users to adjust the intensity according to their skin needs. The device features a silicone brush head that's gentle on the skin while being 100% antimicrobial. It also has a built-in massaging feature to enhance the toning experience. Benefits and usage: the PMD Clean Pro is designed to give you a spa-like facial treatment at home. The Soniclear technology helps to cleanse your skin, removing dirt, oil, and impurities. The massaging feature enhances circulation, leaving your skin feeling toned and rejuvenated. It also helps to improve the effectiveness of your skincare products by promoting better absorption. Usability: the PMD Clean Pro is simple to use, with its easy-to-operate design and customizable settings. It's ergonomic and comfortable to hold, making it easy to work into your skincare routine. The silicone brush head is gentle yet effective at exfoliating, making it suitable for all skin types. Plus, the device is waterproof, so it can be used in the shower. Durability: built with high-quality materials, the PMD Clean Pro is durable and made to last. The antimicrobial silicone brush head resists bacteria buildup, ensuring that it remains hygienic over time. The device is waterproof, and its rechargeable battery lasts for multiple uses, making it a long-term investment in your skincare routine. Taking our 4th spot is Olay Regenerist Face Scrubber. The Olay Regenerist Face Scrubber is a handheld facial brush designed to give you a smoother, more radiant complexion. With its gentle bristles and sleek design, it's a great option for those looking for a simple yet effective exfoliating tool. Olay's reputation for skincare products extends to this facial scrubber, offering an affordable solution for your daily routine. Key features: the Olay Regenerist Face Scrubber features a rotating brush head that gently exfoliates the skin. It includes 2 brush heads, one for sensitive skin and one for normal skin, allowing you to choose the appropriate level of exfoliation. The brush provides 2 speed settings for customized cleansing, and the device is water resistant, making it easy to clean and use in the shower. Benefits and usage: the Olay Regenerist Face Scrubber effectively removes dirt, oil, and dead skin cells, promoting a smoother complexion. Regular use helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and promotes an even skin tone. It's especially effective when paired with your favorite cleanser, as it enhances the product's ability to cleanse deeply and evenly. Usability: the Olay Regenerist Face Scrubber is easy to use, thanks to its ergonomic design and 2 speed settings. Simply attach the brush head, apply your cleanser, and let the brush work its magic. The lightweight design ensures it's easy to maneuver across the face, even in hard-to-reach areas like around the nose and chin. Durability: with a durable build and replaceable brush heads, the Olay Regenerist Face Scrubber is made to last. The device is water resistant, which enhances its longevity and ensures that it holds up well over time. The replaceable brush heads ensure you get continued effectiveness from the scrubber, maintaining its cleansing power. And finally, at number 5, we have Todd Soniclear. The Todd Soniclear is a professional-grade facial cleansing brush designed to provide a thorough cleanse while being gentle on the skin. With its sonic wave technology, it delivers powerful results, helping to exfoliate and purify your skin with every use. If you're looking for a high-performance scrubber for sensitive skin, the Soniclear might just be what you need. Key features: the Todd Soniclear features sonic wave technology, delivering up to 300 movements per second for deep cleaning. It includes antimicrobial protection built into the brush head, ensuring it stays free of bacteria. The device has 3 speed settings, allowing you to adjust the intensity for different skin types, and it's waterproof, making it perfect for use in the shower. Benefits and usage: the Soniclear is designed to provide a deep, gentle cleanse that removes impurities and exfoliates the skin. With its 3 speed settings, it allows for a customized cleanse, from gentle to more intense exfoliation. The antimicrobial protection ensures the brush remains hygienic, making it suitable for daily use without worrying about bacterial buildup. Usability: using the Todd Soniclear is easy and comfortable. The device's ergonomic design fits comfortably in your hand, while the multiple speed settings allow you to tailor your cleansing experience. The brush head is gentle yet effective, making it a great option for those with sensitive skin or those new to using facial scrubbers. Durability: the Soniclear is built to last, with a durable construction that resists wear and tear. Its antimicrobial protection ensures it remains hygienic, while the waterproof design allows for easy cleaning and long-lasting use. With proper care and regular replacement of the brush head, the Soniclear will continue to provide consistent, reliable performance. And there you have it, our top 5 face scrubbers that can elevate your skincare routine and leave your skin feeling rejuvenated. Whether you're after a gentle cleanse or a more intense exfoliation, there's a perfect device for every skin type and need. We hope this guide helps you choose the best one for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more product reviews and skincare tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.